Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how to make this easy and simple soap saver. This is made using 100% cotton and is approximately 3 inches wide by 4.5 inches tall, and I also included a little drawstring here so you could save up your little soap scraps. So let's begin today's tutorial on learning how to make the easy and simple soap saver. So for today's tutorial, you're going to need some cotton yarn. You want to make sure you're using 100% cotton yarn, and you can use whatever cotton yarn that you would like. These are just the colors that I chose. And you're going to need one skein, which is going to make several of these soap savers. And I'm just using Hobby Lobby I Love This Cotton. And this is in the color Aqua, and this is a 3.5 ounce skein, or 100 grams, 180 yards, or 165 meters, and again it's 100% cotton, and it is machine washable and dryable, and the recommended hook size is a US I9 or 5.5 millimeter. So that's Aqua, this is white, and then this color is Deep Teal. Again, you can use any cotton yarn that you would like, or any color that you would like, as you can make several soap savers from each skein. You're also going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and make a slip stitch, or slip knot. And I'm going to go ahead and chain 12. If you want to make this a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you can chain any number and get your desired width. So to make a chain, you're going to yarn over your hook and pull through that loop on your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So once you have your desired chain, or whatever chain size that you would like, we can begin row 1. So for row 1, we're going to work in the second chain from the hook, and we're going to make a single crochet. So the loop on your hook does not count. You're going to count 2 chains from your hook, so 1 and 2. And in that second chain, you're going to go ahead and make a single crochet. So insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Let me zoom up just a little bit so you can see. And then we're going to make 1 single crochet in each of the chains across. So in that very next stitch, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you're going to make 1 single crochet in each of the chains across. So you should have a total of 11 single crochets at the end of this row. Okay, I'm at the end of my row. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn our work this way, and we're actually going to be working on the other side of that chain. So again, in that very first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. And then in each of those chains across, you're going to make a single crochet. So again, you should have 11 single crochets altogether. Okay, and then when you come to the very end, you're going to have your last single crochet right here where you started. You're going to find your very first single crochet, which is right here, and you're going to go ahead and slip stitch together. So here is what the bottom of your soap saver is going to look like. And in the end, you should have a total of 22 single crochet stitches. Now again, if you made this a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you just want to make sure that you have the same number of stitches on both sides of your chain. Okay, so now for row 3, we're going to go ahead and chain 2. And we are going to go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each of the single crochets all the way around. So you're going to go right in that very first stitch, and you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that completes your double crochet. Again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you just want to continue making 1 double crochet in each of the single crochets across. And again, you should end up with a total of 22 double crochets altogether. Okay, so once you have your 22 double crochets, you're going to find that first double crochet, which is right here, and you're going to go ahead and slip stitch to the top of that chain, or that double crochet. The chain 2 does not count as a stitch, and you do not want to turn after each round. You want to just work continuously in the same direction. Okay, so you're going to make a total of 8 double crochet rows or rounds for this pattern. So you're going to go ahead and chain 2, and working in this double crochet right here, you're going to make a double crochet, and you're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and you're going to have a total of 22 double crochets at the end of your round. And then again, you're going to continue for a total of 8 rows. So go ahead and make 8 rows of double crochets with a total of 22 double crochets in each row, and I will go ahead and meet up with you at the very end and show you how to make the drawstring. Okay, so I'm just finishing up my last row, and here is what my soap saver looks like. So again, you're going to have the single crochet, and then you're going to have 8 rows or 8 rounds of the double crochet. So then to make the loop or the drawstring, you're just going to go ahead and chain 35. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, once you chain 35, you're going to go ahead and cut your yarn, and you want to leave a little bit for a tail. And then you're just going to pull that loop up a little bit and take your hook out. And then what you're going to do, and you can either use your fingers or you can use your crochet hook, about every 2 double crochets, you're going to go ahead and you're going to weave your chain in and out of your soap saver. So every 2 rows you want to just go in and out with your chain, and just go ahead and weave that in. And that will create the drawstring. So again, do this every 2 double crochets and do this all the way around. And you want to go in that very top row of your soap saver. Okay, and then when you get to the beginning of your round, you're going to go ahead and insert your hook back into that loop, and then you're going to find the beginning double crochet, which is going to be right here, and you're just going to go ahead and slip stitch to that double crochet. And then I just like to go ahead and yarn over and pull through and then tighten. And then that way, for your drawstring, you can pull it this way, or if you wanted to go on this side, you would just get that chain and you would pull it just like that. And that way you have a hanging loop that you can put around your wrist, and you can put your bar of soap in here, or if you have smaller pieces of soap, you can use that as well. These work out very quickly. You can probably make a bunch of these for your upcoming craft fair. You can give them away with a bar of soap and maybe some other spa essentials. And again, you can make them in all different colors that you would like. So I have these 3 colors right here, and then you can make them in calming colors, you can make them in brighter colors. The choice is really up to you. Just make sure you use 100% cotton yarn. So thank you so much for joining me today on learning how to make the easy and simple soap saver. I hope you enjoy today's tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!